Thunderstorms likely after midnight.
I just noticed a flood advisory.
Southwest winds 10 to 15 knots, increasing to 15 to 20 knots in the afternoon.
Flood advisory issued.
Seas 3 to 4 feet. Showers and
I just
thunderstorms
noticed that.
likely, mainly in the morning. Friday night, southwest winds 15 to 20 knots, tonight 10 to 15 knots after midnight. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flood advisory for central Williamsburg County in northeastern South Carolina until 9:15 p.m. At 7:13 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. This will cause minor flooding in the advisory area. 2.5 to 3.5 inches of rain have already fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Trio, Morrisville, and Warsaw. Additional rainfall of an inch is expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The coastal waters forecast for the following: coastal waters from Little River Inlet to Murrells Inlet, South Carolina, out 20 nautical miles. Issued at 2:51 p.m. Tonight, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet.
Dang, that was an
A
error.
chance of showers and thunderstorms this evening.